Everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest, and I'm back with a new video on how you can join Discord server without an invite link. I'll be showing you the steps on how you can join Discord server without an invite link, so make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Basically, there are three ways of joining Discord server without an invite. So the first one is explore public server on Discord. You log in into your Discord account. While you're trying to explore public server, you need to make sure that you're logged in from your desktop and not from your mobile phone. After you're logged into your Discord account, next thing you need to navigate to the left sidebar, and after that you need to tap on the compass icon, which is green in color. As you click on it, next interface you can explore the community, and then on the search box you can type in the server's name, category or tag, and after that you can join Discord server without an invite through public server. Next, in order to join Discord without an invite link, what you can do is you can join the Discord server from top.gg. So that is a link. So in order to join using your top.gg link, what you need to do is open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in that is top.gg. So I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box. Next interface, you need to select Discord server right on top. After that, you'll be directed to top.gg/server, and on the other interface you need to explore the community, and after that you can type in the server's name, category or the tag name, and that is how you can join Discord without an invite link. So the third step is that finding Discord server on Disboard. So in order to do that, you need to head towards your web browser, and then on the search box type in the link that is disboard.org, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Once you're directed to the page, you can see right in center you have a search box. You need to type in the server's name, category and tag, and after that you can join the server. And once you explore the community, you'll be able to find a server, and then you can join the Discord server without an invite link. And those were the method on how you can join Discord server without an invite link. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.